Here is a tangle called Arukas as a spider web. So here's the shape I drew like a spider web, and then I auraed it. Once I auraed it, I auraed the inside, and then I did coffering, which is just taking those lines and connecting them all. Then I drew these beams out from that center, and then every time I aura the web, I stop at those beams so that the beams are above the web. And then I aura the beams, and then I aura the web, and the beam and the web, and so on. Now these videos are tutorials. They are not meditative videos. I am teaching you meditative art that you can do on your own and make your own meditative setting from this. I recommend anytime you tangle that you start with a nice deep breath of gratitude, things that you're appreciative for, things that make you happy, make you feel good. On the exhale, get rid of all the junk. Imagine it going right out your toes, your shoulders coming down away from your ears, and just really starting to feel relaxed. It will make a big difference in how your tangle looks. So now we got to this part. I think we started talking about a peacock spider. And I looked that up because I didn't know they existed, and I found a really funny picture of one. Those of you who were on the live, you'll see what I'm talking about. So I kind of ended up drawing my version of it and did some shading. I did quite a bit of shading with the graphite, and then I did charcoal the peacock spider. And I just wasn't getting it bright enough. And then I remembered I have this very cool medium glow-in-the-dark ink. I have these inks and pens in my Amazon affiliate. Considering what mediums normally cost, this was not an expensive medium. I think the pens came with like a 6-pack, and I believe the paints come with a pen and some other things, and a little flashlight too, a blue light. So you can check that out if you're interested. I had a blast doing this. Before I forget, if you do check out my link tree under my P.O. box, you'll find my Etsy shop. You'll find videos that I have on my website that are pre-recorded. You'll have all my signups for my upcoming Reiki classes if you want to be a Reiki student or master, as well as Reiki sessions. And this just turned out fabulous. So peacock spider, you'll have to look them up, because if you look at pictures, some of them do have what looks like actual angel wings on their back. And considering I think a good portion of the world are scared of spiders, with the light, just regular light on, and then once you turn that black light on, it's really amazing that these spiders are so beautiful and unusual. So here is the peacock spider, and check out my link tree. I usually go live at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time almost every night, and if nothing's going on the weekends, I go live twice on Saturday and Sunday, depending on what's going on. So give me a follow, check me out, and everybody have a great day.